How to go live with your close friends on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now go to live. Now next to title, tap on audience. Now select practice here and tap on set audience. Now tap on the live button. Tap on next. Now next to video icon, tap on the plus icon. Now search for your friends. Tap on invite. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.